Introducing the Apple Watch Series 10, GPS 42mm, in jet black aluminum case with black sport band, SEM, redefining performance and style. Welcome to the future of wearable technology. Today, we're diving into the Apple Watch Series 10, one of Apple's most innovative and sophisticated smartwatch yet. If you're considering upgrading your fitness tracker or simply looking for a sleek and powerful timepiece, you're in for a treat. Design and build, timeless elegance meets durability. At first glance, the jet black aluminum case is a showstopper. Apple has nailed the minimalist, yet premium aesthetic, giving the Apple Watch Series 10 a design that blends perfectly with both casual and formal attire. The black aluminum case is not just stunning, but also incredibly durable, making it the ideal companion for everyday wear and active lifestyles alike. Pairing with the case is the black sport band in size SEM, crafted from high-performance fluoroelastomer, which feels as smooth as it is tough. Designed to be flexible and sweat-resistant, the band is not only comfortable but also extremely practical for fitness enthusiasts and those on the move. What really sets the Series 10 apart is its stunning always-on Retina display. This crystal-clear display is 30% larger than previous models, offering better brightness and vibrant colors even in direct sunlight. With this always-on feature, you no longer have to tap or raise your wrist to check the time or see notifications. It's there when you need it, all day long. Health and fitness features, a personal trainer on your wrist. One of the highlights of the Apple Watch Series 10 is its focus on health and fitness. Whether you're an avid athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this watch has you covered. First, let's talk about the ECG app. With the ability to take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist, the Apple Watch Series 10 offers incredible insight into your heart health. It measures your heart's electrical signals and can alert you to irregular rhythms, like atrial fibrillation, which could be life-saving for some users. But it doesn't stop there. The Series 10 includes advanced health metrics such as blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and the ability to track calories burned. It's like having a personal health assistant, always keeping an eye on your wellness so you can stay informed and motivated. And, of course, it wouldn't be an Apple Watch without superior fitness tracking. From running and cycling to swimming, this watch tracks it all with pinpoint accuracy. The GPS feature ensures you can track your routes and distances without needing to bring your iPhone along for the ride. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for both pool laps and ocean swims. Performance, seamless connectivity and powerful battery life. Now, let's move on to performance. Powered by Apple's latest chip, the Apple Watch Series 10 delivers smooth performance with every swipe and tap. Navigating between apps, tracking your workouts, or even replying to texts and emails feels fluid and fast. The built-in GPS ensures that you're never out of sync, even when you leave your phone behind. Whether you're out for a run or going for a hike, your Apple Watch will track your location and provide real-time updates on your progress. One of the underrated features of the Apple Watch Series 10 is its impressive battery life. With up to 18 hours of use on a single charge, you can confidently wear it throughout the day, whether you're at work, the gym, or even on an overnight trip. When it's time to recharge, fast charging technology ensures that your watch powers up quickly and is ready to go in no time. Apple Care Plus and additional benefits, complete peace of mind. Lastly, let's talk about Apple Care Plus. With this service, you get complete peace of mind knowing that your Apple Watch Series 10 is protected from accidental damage, technical issues, and even battery replacements. Whether it's a cracked screen or hardware malfunction, Apple Care Plus ensures that your investment stays secure, so you can enjoy all the benefits of your smartwatch without worrying about the what ifs. Another fantastic perk? The seamless integration with the entire Apple ecosystem. Sync your watch with your iPhone, AirPods, and even Mac for a complete tech experience. Answer calls, respond to texts, control your music, and more, all from your wrist. The Apple Watch Series 10, GPS 42mm, with jet black aluminum case and black sport band, SEM is not just a watch, it's your fitness coach, your health monitor, your personal assistant, and your connection to the world, all wrapped in a stunning, durable package. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just navigating a busy workday, this watch is the perfect companion to keep you on track and in style. If you're ready to elevate your lifestyle with the latest in wearable technology, the Apple Watch Series 10 is waiting for you.